Hi guys, it's Blake from Axeptio, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to launch a consent management platform on your website if you're building a new build or if you want to add it to an existing build. We allow you to give a cookie banner consent pop-up so that way you can stay compliant in the different parts of the world where regulations apply. If you have visitors coming from a region of the world, it's important that you stay compliant with GDPR, CCPA, Law 25, and many more that are increasing globally. Not to mention, we want you to be able to customize your consent banner to your fonts, colors, languages, and more. We also give you a log or an audit of all the different folks that came to your website and opt in so you can stay compliant. So let's dive in, guys. I'll show you exactly how to install Axeptio on your Webflow website today via our direct plugin and app. Let's start in the Webflow marketplace. This is where you're going to find all kinds of apps approved by Webflow for you to use on your website. First, we'll go into the search bar, type in Axeptio. Here you can see our app has loaded. You simply click. And now you can get more information and details about what Axeptio can do for your website to stay compliant and all of the different attributes and features about the product, not to mention brands that we work with. All you have to do is hit install app. You can see we already have some favorites here, which is awesome. And this is where you'll need to log into your admin account for Webflow. You can see I have a lot of different websites that I'm managing. I'm going to go ahead and click Chasing Creative. And now I'll authorize the app for that account. If I wanted to, I could authorize it for all of them. Now they're going to ask you to sign up for Axeptio. This will give you access to your user portal and to be able to update any settings that you need to via Axeptio for your Webflow website. If you already have an account, you can just sign in, but if this is the first time for you, you're going to need to sign up and click here. I've already made an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And just like that, I've authenticated Axeptio on my Webflow website. Now, if you go to your dashboard, you'll be able to see Axeptio in your app settings here, where you're able to update and see all the different apps that you have installed on your website. Now you'll need to update your subscription on our platform to be able to pick which plan is right for your business. If you're over 200 visitors a month, you'll need to do a paid plan, which we're very competitive with and have a lot of different features that you can unlock. You also can save 10% by buying a yearly or annual plan versus month to month. It's totally up to you. Now, after you've selected a plan, you can hit My Banners and go in here to choose which one is right for your business to stay compliant. Now, you can have a plan set up for Law 25, GDPR, CCPA, wherever you're operating in the US or the EU or in other parts of the world to be able to be compliant to their current laws. And also, you can go in here to create a new banner to be able to set up a new configuration, or you can apply Google Consent Mode 2, which is mandatory in Europe right now. So once your banner is set up, you can actually change up and translate it to different languages. You can publish and unpublish here easily. You can duplicate and customize if you want it to appear in a certain region or location, and many more. You can also do custom configurations here of any cookies that you might need to update quickly and easily. You can make as many that you need for your website and tailor those to match your style and branding. Let's go over to colors and style. Here you can see what the widget looks like right now, and it pops up here in the corner. You actually can update all of these different things by using a different button, changing the location, offsetting, anything that you need to make it match your website and branding. You can also update colors easily, fonts, and more, so it matches your website and elevates the user experience. Now let's check out integrations. If you need to integrate it into another website or app, you're able to do that very easily here with our different connections. You're on Webflow, so you're already plugged in if you've gone through the steps that I've previously showed you. But if you need to install other places, you can definitely do that. Here you can see the different statistics of people coming to your website, page views, users, and the consent rate, which you get with a subscription plan, to be able to see how many people are coming to your website and if they're actually opting in to you, to be able to track their data and to be compliant. Then all of this gets logged here with a unique ID or token and shows you how the person came to your website and when they allowed you to be compliant. This will populate with your information as users come to your website. You also have analytics tools that you can easily update, where we have lots and lots of them here that you can select, like Amplitude and Google Analytics 4, to be able to make the product work in tandem. Now you can add users, manage your subscription as I showed you in the beginning, and see project information. All you have to do is publish, and then it will appear right on your website. And that's that. You can create new projects easily here in this hub if you're an agency, or if you have multiple different websites or products that you need to manage. It is super, super easy, elevates the experience, makes you compliant, and helps you to restore that trust and transparency that your customers deserve. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We're excited for you to get started with Axeptio on Webflow. If you guys have any other questions, please let us know and we'd be glad to help you.